Sige nga, explain nyo yan. Sponsored by the Ministry of Commerce of the People's Republic of China. Sila mga participants sa all expenses paid by the Chinese government. 11 media practitioners, included an editor, producer, and a reporter from News 5 Digital, TV5, DZRH Manila Broadcasting Corporation, Daily Tribune, Chinatown TV, DXDC Radio Mindanao Network, and DZUP University of the Philippines. Ito yon, di ba? Ang sabi niya, China-funded seminar for Filipino social media influencers, XPCO chief admits. Tapos sabi niya, inamin ng ilang social media influencers na dumalo sila sa isang state-sponsored seminar ng China. This is the same kind of seminar these bloggers went to. Okay? Kita niya na. Seminar on Press Officers and Journalists for Philippines. Balita ito ng News 5. Kailan lang to? December 23, 2024. December 23, 2024. Philippine journalists attend 2-week media exchange program in Hunan, China. Pareho lang yan. It is the same program. Okay? Ngayon, press officers and journalists from the Philippines traveled to Changsha, the capital of Hunan province in China, to participate in a 2-week training program aimed to strengthen Philippine media and communication exchanges and cooperation. It is the same seminar na pinuntahan nila Trixie, nila Mark Lopez. Actually, hindi lang bloggers ang nandun. May mga media, may mga journalists din yon from major broadsheets, etc. What kind of hypocrisy is this?